Jane Nanete. In my hands right now are the lucky 10 teachers who will be receiving our tour prizes. Starting with number 339. For number 339, we have... Ipakita pa ako ang pangalan. Number 39, from Maglakab Elementary School. Please claim your prize, Ma'am Edna B. Pinaso. Ikaw yun ang pinakaunang swerte ka na nagaw na. We also have number 23.
Number 23 is from Tacna National High School. Ma'am Nelvin S. Mirano. Congratulations, ma'am.
Number 135, from Carpini Guayas, Simon Tuelos. Please come and receive your prize coming from our Mayor Dala.
Next up, we have from Bongod Elementary School, Ma'am Judy Aguero.
Also, please claim your prize, Sir Mark Kinambagan.
Ang sunod na swerte is from DLO Mapuni National High School, Ma'am Jenny Rose Bustamante. Next is number 385. Ma'am Francis Marie Virantes. 38.
Please come forward. Ma'am Genevieve T. Villamon, Santa Juana Central Elementary School.
Next up is from San Vicente Elementary School, Ma'am Leslie R. Galvo.
Also, please claim your prize from Papinawan District. From Batunan Elementary School, Ma'am Rhea S. Ranquea. Please come forward and claim your prize.
Next we have from Laguna 2 District, from Maglakab Elementary School, Ma'am Edna B. Pinaso.
Okay, this time to receive the hot and cold dispenser. Number 63. And to receive the dispenser coming from
Tacna National High School, Sir Albert Donal. Sir Albert Donal.
Nara si Sir.
Asa sa ikuan ang t-shirt. Asa na pito attendance? Ha?
According to Ralph Nader, a leader has the vision and conviction that a dream can
Si
be
Mama Marisa na
He inspires the power and energy to get it done. With this, may I call the campus director of NEMSO Daguna Campus, Dr. Ariston C. Ronquillo, for his welcome message. A resounding applause, please.
Ang sarap po man kana pero nasuwat na takamam ang kanina lang director mga.
Grabe
Lahat
ka, Bibo.
Yehey.
This is my first time to attend